Hi kiddos, Miss Smith here, and today we're going to read a story called Schools Have Rules. You guys come back to school really soon, so we're going to practice talking about rules so that you're ready to go when you come back. Do you think you can go in your ELA binder and find Lesson 1 tab and pull out your vocab board that looks like this? That way, you can read along with me. Okay, so our story is called Schools Have Rules. Page number 1. This is Jacob's school. Hi, Jacob. So Jacob is at his school. What are the rules? Let's turn the page to find out. We walk quietly. So when we're in the hallway, we walk quietly. Shh, shh. Jacob can do that. High five, Jacob. He's following the rules. He is walking quietly. This is good. Keep your hands and your feet to yourself. Hands and feet to yourself. That means we're being safe. Jacob can do that. High five, Jacob. Jacob is being good because he's following the rule. And I see Jacob's friend has her mask on. You'll see that your teachers have their mask on, just like Jacob's friend. Raise your hand to ask a question. So we're going to raise our hand. Can you practice raising your hand? Good job. Jacob can do that. Jacob is following the rule. That is so good. High five, Jacob. Help clean up. So we clean up our toys, we wipe the tables, we wash our hands, we help clean up. Help clean up. Can you tell me help? I see Jacob picking up a book. He's helping to clean up. Jacob can do that. High five, Jacob. You're helping clean up. That is so good. This is a big one. We're going to wash our hands. So we might wash our hands before we eat. We might wash our hands after we play. And sometimes Miss Smith might just ask you to wash your hands just because. We're going to follow the rules. we're going to wash our hands. That's so good. High five, Jacob. Jacob can do that. Jacob is washing his hands. We're going to try our best. Try best. We're going to be good and give it our best try. Do you think Jacob can do that? Yes, Jacob can do that. Jacob is trying his best. That is so good. High five, Jacob. Jacob follows the rules. Jacob follows school rules. That is so good. High five, Jacob. Do you think you're going to be able to follow our school rules? I bet you can. Guess what? That's the end of the story. High five. Thank you for reading with me, and I'll see you next time.